Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give a little bit of explanation for the fish scales explanations assignment. So again, this is talking about the different types of fish scales that we have looked at. So again, look over that video recording that I have talking about fish scales to help you with completing this. So you want to complete the following chart comparing different types of fish scales. So in the first column, we've got the different types of scales. So again, no scales, placoid scales, cycloid scales, ctenoid scales, and ganoid scales. So you've got all of those different types. What I want you to do in this second column here is put the function of the scales. So again, talk about what their function is as far as what they most help the fish with. We've talked a little bit about how they help the fish to survive, so that's what I want you to put in those. And then in the last part, I want you to come up with some example fish that have those different types of scales, or in the case of the no scales category, again, fish that lack scales. So do a little bit of research looking up these different types of scales and what fish would have these types. Again, the video at least gives one example for each, so that might help you with starting your search, but otherwise you'll want to come up with that many examples for each. So if you have any issues with this particular assignment, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, call me. You can reach out to us during our science department office hours. Again, that's every Monday through Friday from 9:30 to 10:30. You can talk with us in a Zoom meeting on there.